Today, I'll show you how to create topics in a Telegram group. Topics help organize conversations inside a Telegram group. Instead of having every message in one long chat, you can create separate sections for different discussions, such as announcements, support, trading, questions, updates, or general chat. First, open the Telegram app. Now go to the group where you want to create topics. Make sure you are the group owner or an admin with permission to manage group settings. Tap or click the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group information page. Next, choose Edit, or tap the pencil icon, depending on your device. Now look for the option called Topics. Turn on Topics for the group. After enabling topics, save the changes and go back to the group chat. You should now see the group organized into a topic-style layout. To create a new topic, tap Create Topic, New Topic, or the plus icon. Enter a topic name such as Support, Announcements, or General Chat. You can also choose an icon or emoji for the topic if Telegram gives you that option. After that, tap Create. Now members can open that topic and keep related messages inside the correct section. You can create multiple topics for different categories, which makes the group easier to manage. If you do not see the topics option, update Telegram to the latest version and make sure your group is upgraded to a supergroup. And that's it. You've successfully created topics in a Telegram group. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.